that was dedicated to him, and a lot of this book was written with him in mind, of course, and he's not here tonight. So I'm going to start with Percussions with Bird. It rains all day. From the window, soft green things. I drown in percussion and dream the soil's possible mushrooms. It rains all day. We drive down a puddled street, then argue over the Nick Cave song. Because Nick calls her my dove, and you stay mad because I like it. Your breath beats fast as a parking meter in my passenger side ear. Reconciliation is wordless with jazz drums, a forage of epithelial salt over guitar-strung hips from wah pedal lips. You turn my naked body inside out and leave me folded, an origami dove.